Every great machine begins with a simple sketch. Engineers review the design together, discussing structure and balance. The final design comes together on the screen. The fully assembled car stands ready inside the garage. All wiring systems are thoroughly tested to ensure flawless communication, connecting every signal and component with absolute precision. With every wire connected and systems live, engineers monitor the car's performance, tracking every signal and response in real time. Engine performance is carefully checked, every sound and response monitored. With assembly complete, the car is now ready for its final paint and finishing touches. The car is prepped and ready for its final coat of paint. Engineers inspect the wheels and suspension, ensuring every turn is smooth and precise. Engineers activate key systems, monitoring every response in real time. Each wheel is securely tightened, while the battery systems are tested to guarantee full power and reliability. The car is ready outside the factory, with the driver and crew poised for the first run. The car glides out of the factory, calm, controlled, and ready. On open road, raw power is unleashed, as speed builds with relentless force. Precision braking brings extreme speed under complete control, proving stability when it matters most. Built for speed, the car dominates the road with unmatched precision, where every second, every turn, reflects pure Formula One engineering. Mastering the road with precision and speed, every maneuver showcases true Formula One engineering. Exiting the pit, the driver tests every turn, steering precision, ensuring that each curve is handled with absolute control. As the sun sets, the car glides through the fading light, a perfect harmony of speed and elegance. Every turn of the wheel is precise, with sensors constantly monitoring performance, ensuring the car responds perfectly to every command. The tires grip every inch of the road, translating power into perfect control. Power, precision, and control come alive as the car navigates every curve. Each drift is a dance of engineering and skill, every turn pushing limits, every motion flowing seamlessly with speed. As the car powers through the final curves, every drift demonstrates unparalleled precision and control. The synergy of speed and design transforms the road into a stage where performance meets perfection. With their inspection complete, every detail of the car is verified for peak performance. Proudly, the car rolls forward as the team watches in admiration, before racing into the horizon where speed, precision, and legacy converge.